Bosco, come here. You want to throw the ball to Bosco again? Say, Bosco, drop it. Say, Bosco, drop it. He's going to give it to you in a minute. Bosco, drop the ball. Yeah, he listens really well. Bosco, ready? Okay, Olivia. Ah! I got it. I didn't get the ball. Bosco, come here. Tell him, Bosco, give me the ball. Bosco, drop the ball. Here you go, Olivia. Okay, you ready? Throw the ball. Yeah. Nice. It's okay. Okay, the end.